The following segment is sponsored by Kneaders Bakery and Café. It's hard to believe that Thanksgiving is just a week away, but to make the meal delicious and so easy, Kneaders is here to save the day, and Tammy is here to tell us how. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you so much for having us. We're so excited. We absolutely love Thanksgiving, so we're excited.
I mean, this spread is absolutely stunning. You are going to save the day, make the holiday less stressful, starting with your stuffing. Talk to me about that.
Okay, so that stuffing is made out of our Asiago cheese bread and our French country, which is our sourdough. So it's a mixture, and the flavor is unbelievable. The recipe for the stuffing, it's our to die for stuffing, and it is on our blog on kneaders.com. And so you can pre-order the croutons and just have them ready for you.
I love it. My mom actually does use the croutons for her stuffing.
So good.
So let's talk about your rolls. You have two different types of rolls.
Okay.
Talk to us about that.
Yeah, so we have our soft roll and our orange rolls. Both are absolutely wonderful. We personally have the orange rolls for breakfast in the morning.
I think that's a great idea.
Yeah, and then we'll save the soft rolls for Thanksgiving dinner.
I think that's a brilliant idea.
Yeah.
All right. And now it's not Thanksgiving without pies. We have to talk about pies, and I am the luckiest woman today because there's so many forks here. We're going to do a little taste test in a second, but talk to me about your pies.
Okay, so we have 5 different kinds of pies that we will offer in the stores. They are all fresh, made in every store for our customers. We have our raspberry cream cheese, which is probably our most popular pie. Yeah. It is unbelievable.
Oh, I can't wait to try.
We have our coconut cream, our chocolate cream, so good. Our banana cream, and then our Nana's pumpkin pie, which is my dad, his mom's pie recipe.
Oh, I love
So isn't that cool?
Okay, so I'm a chocolate girl myself, so I'm going to go for the chocolate pie, but while I try this, it's probably a good idea to order ahead, am I right?
Absolutely, yes. Order ahead so that we have your order for you right when you come to pick it up. You can order on our app, or you can order on kneaders.com, or just call, and we'll take care of you.
I love that. Yeah. This is so delicious. Like I said, I'm a chocolate girl, and no pie is complete without whipped cream. That is so good.
Absolutely.
And we've talked a lot about Thanksgiving, but you guys are really there for people throughout the entire holiday season.
Absolutely. Into Christmas, you should see our Christmas stuff this year. It's so fun. The other thing that we offer is if you are coming in to pick up your pies, we have little gifts that you could take as a hostess gift if you were headed to somebody's house for Thanksgiving that you could take. And the other thing is, come in this week, grab a sandwich, soup, our traditional stuff, and grab a slice of pie. If you're not sure what you want to order, try it out, and then order your pies.
And you know, that is the best idea. You could have a sandwich and then order 5 slices of pie to make sure that you have the right
not?
one.
Yeah,
and
exactly.
honestly, let's be frank. You might want to order all 5 of them.
Right.
Because they're going to be crowd pleasers. Well, Tammy, this has been absolutely amazing. You have saved Thanksgiving. I'm going to eat more pie. You know what? Why don't you try some?
Okay,
Thanks for coming in,
I'm going to
Tammy.
go for banana cream.